guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make shrimp with chili paste. It's the famous dish in Thailand. It's easy to cook, very few ingredients are needed, and it's my favorite dish. It only need time, a bit of time to consuming is cleaning the shrimp. If you buy them already and clean, there's not much for you to do. This dish can be served as a dish or as an appetizer. Are the ingredients: shrimp, chili, garlic, basil, and also the chili paste. For the basil, today I use the fresh basil, but if you have the fresh basil, it's better to have the nice color with this dish. So let's get started. First, we need to put the vegetable oil 2 tablespoons on the pan and use the high to medium heat. And then add some garlic and also chili. But if you don't like the spicy, you can skip for this chili. And then add the shrimp that we already cleaned and remove the black line. And then stir fry. Then we add 2 tablespoons of the oyster sauce. One tablespoon of the soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of the Thai chili paste. Add 2 or 3 tablespoons of the water to make it more juicy. Add half tablespoon of the fish sauce and half teaspoon of the sugar, and then stir fry it together. And then you can taste a bit and can adjust if you like sweet, salty. In the final, you add the basil and also the red chili, and that's it. Remove from the heat and serve it hot. It's very nice if you eat together with the jasmine rice. You give this try for this recipe. It's very easy, short time to cook, and also so delicious. If you like this recipe, please like, subscribe, and follow me on my YouTube and my Facebook. And see you next time.